The daffodils and the tulips have all finished blooming, but you can see there are seed heads left. Well, if you want it to be more attractive while you're waiting for the foliage to die down to enrich the bulbs for the next year's bloom, you can cut them. And so I'm going to cut down these. You notice you don't want them to go to seed. So you want to cut the seed heads off because you want the energy to go down into the bulb to renew the bulb and not to go to seed. And we'll just keep going and get rid of all of these seed heads. But it is important to leave the foliage to die down naturally so it is able to put energy back into the bulb so that they can bloom again. Now all the seed heads are gone, so the plants can concentrate their energy on enriching the bulbs so that it'll bloom next year. And doesn't it look a lot nicer than seeing all those seed heads?
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.